So we left Cottage Grove. We drove, what, about an hour and some change. Stayed at a really nice rest stop because sometimes it's not all beaches and sunsets. Sometimes you gotta chill. Now we're at Silver Falls State Park. I can't say it. We're at the waterfalls. Let's go check out some more. Just saw our first snake. It was a deadly garter snake. Let it go. Let it go.
The trail to see that one is closed, so you have to take the other trail so you can see it from much further away.
Much further away. Trust me. We hiked it. So we got up early, had some coffee, no breakfast. It's overrated. We're gonna go do the rest of the seven more? Yeah, there's 7 more waterfalls out of the 10 at Silver Falls State Park. I finally said it. Let's go explore Oregon. Let's go. Nice little picnic shelter for rent. Old school chimney. Oh wow. Look at that. It's pretty cool.
Storage spot for your wood.
Yeah.
It is neat. People actually use it too.
Yeah. Not yet. Old school restrooms.
No.
Still closed for the season. Looks like something out of like a Grimm's fairy tale. On to the falls. So that spot right there, it drops about 300 feet. You'll see in a second. Here we go. So that was the South Falls. It's number 3. 3 that we've been to so far, out of 10. Here we go. Number 4. Let's go. It's a nice swimming hole right there. If only we had shorts on. We're not sure if that's one of the falls, so we're just gonna video it just in case, because we ain't coming back. Number 5, awesome trail. Number 8, let's go. Place is awesome. Let's go. Looks like a good spot to have lunch. Nothing says I love you like vandalizing the rocks. The lunch is over. Looks like it's time to get back on the trail. Got 2 more waterfalls left, and we can head back to camp to check on old Tigger. Even a place to wash your hands after lunch. Number 9. We hiked all the way in, all the way down, but there's no good view, so that's the best view you got. Number 9. Dude, look at the size of this tree. Massive. And that's number 10. So we did all 10 waterfalls. We're on the way back to the campsite. Not a bad little hike. It was right, what was it, around 5 miles?
No, I don't know.
Not too bad, but I'm out of shape. So there's that.
I think the total thing's 8 miles.
8 miles total,
Okay.
but the last 2 we couldn't walk to because the trail was closed. So we cheated a little bit and had to drive to that one. But other than that, go back to the camp, check on Tigger. Comment below which one was your favorite falls. We'll see you soon.